Now that we are in IOOGO Books, let's add a few transactions. You can do that by enter the transactions manually or connecting your bank. Let's connect the bank. IOOGO uses Plaid to securely download your bank transactions. Select your bank by using the list or simply typing your bank's name. Enter your username and password as you normally do it when you log into your bank and click Submit. Once you receive this message, IOOGO has successfully been linked to your bank and you will begin to download transactions immediately. As you can see, now we have a few transactions that we will have to categorize and reconcile. All of these transactions have been downloaded from the bank. You can also manage your bank accounts. When you connect to your business bank account, more likely all your bank accounts were carried over. You can tell IOOGO Books which bank accounts you want to see. And now we can only see the main account that we are working with now.